Hello again. We are still home. So welcome to another episode of SRC Chats Quarantine Edition. I'm Omari Graham, a member of the Education and Outreach team at the UWI Seismic Research Center. And today with me, I have three very lovely ladies who I'll let introduce themselves in a while. But first, I'd just like to say welcome, guys, girls, to SRC Chats.
Hello.
All right, so you all want to introduce yourselves?
Okay, I guess I'll go first.
I
My name is Hannah Ramsing, and I am a seismic technician, analyst, whatever you want to call it. And I've been at the SRC approaching 10 years. So yeah, I'm also a student, a seismology student.
Nice.
And yeah.
Okay.
Next.
Hi, I'm Racine Bassant. I am a research assistant at Seismic. I've been employed there since 2016. And I also assist within the technician seismic department, processing department, and at the same time work with my research, which involves working on Montserrat's geothermal system.
All right.
And my name is Mikael Cameo Harry, and I'm a junior research fellow, and I'm also a part-time PhD student.
I know up until recently, all of y'all worked in the technical office where, the data is analyzed, the earthquake data that is. How has that been, doing that from home? Hannah?
Okay, well, that I'm used to working on my big screens in the office, and at home with my little laptop. It was a lot to get used to. So for the first part of it, it was terrible. So I ended up having to get a bigger monitor from Seismic so that I could work from home when they extended the lockdown, because there was no way I could do that from my little screen, right? But we connect remotely, and there's been no problems with that. And we work as a team in the office before, and also now it's a bit easy because we have everybody helping, and we talk to each other on WhatsApp and find out what's happening. And yeah, it's been not too bad.
So Mikael and Racine, have you all been doing processing at home as well?
Yeah, I have been. I get a few earthquakes to process a few days for the week. Depends on the activity, the level of activity that there is. So for me, it's a bit normal because my computer screen is very big. I'm accustomed usually team viewing into my work computer. So, that hasn't been a problem for me.
All right,
but
fine.
yeah, it's been fine.
So you all seem to be coping well with that side of it. Now I know you all are at different stages in your research journey. So you all want to share a little bit about what you're studying first of all, and how has all this disruption that COVID has brought, how has that affected your research? Mikael, you want to start off?
Okay, so my PhD is in volcanology. So I study igneous rocks, so the products of volcanic eruptions, and I analyze them on a microscopic scale, look at the textures, look at the mineral compositions and the bulk rock compositions, and use all that information to try and figure out what processes would have operated within magma reservoirs.
Okay.
And use that information to try and figure out, or try to inform how volcanoes, or why volcanoes behave the way that they do. So I'm doing that research on some islands in the Grenadines, which are volcanic, and the submarine Kikanjani volcano. So I'm in the final stages of my PhD research. So I've submitted my PhD already.
Whoop, whoop.
So yes. So I'm just waiting actually to be told when my oral exam will be set. So given the challenges with COVID-19 and the university being closed, things have slowed down, but the university is working on figuring out how oral exam policies will be done from now on. So I'm just in the waiting stages. So I haven't had any.
Your celebration is on hold.
Yes, but I mean, understandably, because we're in unprecedented times. So I'm just waiting. So in the meantime, I could just focus on my set SRC work. I don't really have to balance any school and work at this time.
Lucky you. Hannah?
Well, I'm at the beginning of my research. So my work is on the Barbados accretionary prism to determine the seismic potential. So basically is to try to figure out ways of determining what is the largest magnitude earthquake that the Barbados accretionary prism could generate.
All right, sounds interesting.
Yeah, so I've just started. So I've had one course this semester and a mandatory course, and and that has been going good, but then when the lockdown happened, it kind of threw everything off because we're supposed to have presentations and final assignments and so on, and everybody kind of now getting used to the online classes and that kind of thing. So that was a bit difficult, and but dealing with the school and work part of it from home, it's been a bit of a challenge, given the fact that most of my data is in Seismic.
Right.
So yeah, so that was a challenge. So in the meantime, I'm just doing the best that I can and reading papers and trying to figure things out.
All right, so you're at the beginning.
Yes.
Mikal is at the end. Racine, where are you?
Well, I'm a little way past middle. I would like to hope so. I am also a PhD student. I recently upgraded from the MPhil in volcanology to the PhD in volcanology last year. And for the majority of last year, I spent working at the geomechanics lab in UE, measuring petrophysical properties of cores obtained from the Montserrat geothermal system. So I've gathered that data and I'm in the process of writing up all of that data right now.
All right, so sounds like fun. Sounds like you're all very busy. So if anybody's wondering what you need to be a researcher, especially at the SRC, you need your glasses. First of all, I'm noticing that all of us have glasses on, and you seem to need or like that challenge of spending a lot of time in the books and spending a lot of time in the lab, getting all that data sorted and put together. So I think that's about all the time we have for SRC Chats today. I want to thank you for spending the time with us, explaining all about your research and how you've been affected by working from home. So as we hope the countries would begin to open up soon, we still encourage persons to stay home, stay safe, and, continue to pay attention to all the information coming from the health professionals. And remember that we at the UE Seismic Research Center are still working on our earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis, working to keep us all safe. So until next time, thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.